What's going on, you guys? So this is a free item that I got from Wish. Um, Not really too positive what it is. All I know is it was free. So let's open it up and see what's actually inside. It's a watch. Well, this is how it came packaged. It's taped. Well, this is what you can expect. Man, I forgot I got this thing. It's got a screen It's got a film on the screen. The watch works. The band is somewhat leathery. Well, there you guys have it. That's how it came. It works. It's actually pretty nice, to be honest with you. Heck, it actually works. Well, there you have it. Till next time.